Hello everyone, my name is Rakesh Kumar Kuntia. Welcome to the next series on Pharmacy Introduction Part 3. Today we are going to see a very interesting topic on pharmacy, social and culture. How the pharmacy has impacted in the society and the culture of pharmacy. Basically, the word pharmacy is derived from the old French pharmacie, that is substance, such as a food or in the form of a medicine, which has a laxative effect. This is coming from the medieval Latin pharmacia, from Greek pharmakia, a medicine which itself derives from a pharmakon, meaning drug, poison, spell, which is etymologically related to pharmakons. In the separation of prescribing and dispensing, the separation of prescribing and dispensing, also called as dispensing separation, which is a practice in the field of pharmacy and medicine in which the physician who provides a medical prescription is independent from the pharmacist who provides the prescription drug. In the Western world, there are centuries of tradition for separating pharmacists from physicians. In ancient countries, it is traditional for physicians to also provide drugs. In the contemporary time, researchers and health policy analysts have more deeply considered these traditions and their effects. Advocates for separation and advocates for combining, making these similar claims for their conflicting perspectives, saying that separation or combination results reduction in the conflict of interest and in the pharmaceutical industry. Unnecessary healthcare, lowering of cost, which opposes causing these things. Researchers in various places record reports mixed outcomes in different circumstances. This is what we have seen how the pharmacy has impacted in the society and also the culture of pharmacy. And the next part we are including the pharmacy of future. So in the pharmacy future, we have seen in the coming upcoming decades, pharmacists are expected to become more part with the healthcare system. Rather than simply dispensing medicines, they are increasingly expected to compensate for the patient care skills. So the importance of pharmacy is growing day by day. That is what we understand. Because previously it was only the physicians who were taking care of the patients. But coming with this advanced degree in the pharmacy, the area of pharmacy has tremendously grown, and this is also helping the patients and healthcare systems. The medical therapy management includes the clinical services that pharmacists can provide for their patients. Such services include a thorough analysis of all medication, which is prescribed, non-prescribed, and also with including of herbals currently being taken by an individual. The result is a reconciliation of medication and patient education, resulting in the increased patient health outcomes with a decreased cost to the healthcare system. This shift has already commenced in some century in countries. For instance, if we see in Australia, the pharmacists are receiving a remuneration from the Australian government for conducting comprehensive home medicine reviews. When we go to the Europe, particularly Canada, the pharmacists have a certain provinces limited prescribing rights, and they have been remunerated well by the government, expanding the services in Ontario, especially that is called Meds checks. In another country, in United Kingdom, similarly, the pharmacists undertake additional training, and they provide prescribing rights and also enhance the pharmacy education. They're also being paid well by the government for medical use reviews. In Scotland, we have seen the pharmacists can write prescription for Scottish registered patients. Apart from that, they also prescribe the medications for majority of the drugs, except for the controlled drugs, when the patient is unable to see a doctor, as could happen if they are away from the home or doctor is unavailable. In the United States, the pharmaceutical care or clinical pharmacy has an evolving influence on the practice of pharmacy. Moreover, the Doctor of Pharmacy (PharmD) degree is now required before entering pharmacy practice, and some pharmacists now complete 1 or 2 years of residency or fellowship training following the graduation. In addition to this, what we have also seen, the consultant pharmacists are traditionally operating primarily in nursing homes. They are now expanding into direct consultations with patients under the banner of senior care pharmacy. Apart from this, regarding the patient care, the pharmacists have a focal point for medical adherence initiatives, where there is enough evidence to show that integrated pharmacy-based initiatives significantly impact adherence for chronic patients. For example, a study which was published in the NIH National Institute of Health shows pharmacy-based interventions improved patients' medications adherence rate by 2.1%, with the increased physician initiation rate by 38% when compared to the control groups. This is what we have seen the pharmacy future, because and also we have seen how during the COVID times the profession of pharmacy has become a boom, and how the healthcare system has drastically required the pharmaceutical industry importance, and this is what we see upcoming growth sector in the pharmacy. Coming to the journals of pharmacy, what are the different journals which have been listed in pharmacy is unique. So we have various journals. So I'll name a few of them. The AAPS journal, AAPS Pharma Sci-Tech, Advanced Drug Delivery Reviews, the Annals of Pharmacotherapy, Annal Review of Pharmacology and Toxicology, Current Drug Metabolism, Drug Delivery, Drug Development and Industrial Pharmacy, Drug Metabolism Reviews, Drug Development and Industrial Pharmacy, European Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences, European Journal of Pharmaceutical Biopharmaceutics, expert opinion on drug discovery, expert opinion on drug delivery, expert opinion on biological therapy, expert opinion on drug metabolism and toxicology, expert opinion on drug safety, expert opinion on emerging drugs, expert opinion on investigational drugs. So we have, if the list continues, there are a lot of other journals. I again emphasize on few of the journals here. Expert on opinion pharmacotherapy, expert on opinion on therapeutic patents, expert opinion on therapeutic targets, Indian Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences, International Journal of Clinical Pharmacy, International Journal of Pharmaceutics, Journal of Controlled Release, Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Journal of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences, Journal of Pharmacy, Practice and Research, Modern Pharmaceutics, the Pharmaceutical Journal, Pharmacognosy Communications, Pharmacognosy Magazine, Pharmacognosy Research, Pharmacognosy Reviews, Pharmacotherapy, Scientia Pharmaceutica. So these are the renowned scientific journals that publishes articles in pharmaceutical sciences. So this is a dynamic list, and this can satisfy particular standards for completeness. And The list is not comprehensive. Still there are many other journals which can be added to the bucket, which have been specified rightly. So next we see what are the different symbols. We in pharmacy we use different symbols. Let me just talk about few of the symbols that we use in the field of pharmacy. So basically, the RX symbol, the RX symbol is used on medical prescriptions, and this is coming from the Latin recipe take through. Yeah, we have also seen a mortar pestle RX symbol, which is used in US and Canada. We have also seen a red A sign, which is used in Germany. Similarly, in Austria also, a red A sign is used in Austria. Rod of Asclepius, the internationally recognized symbol of medicine. Green cross symbol is for first aid. Green cross and bowl of Hygeia used in Europe. Europe, with exception of Germany, Austria, and India. So India, if we use this symbol, the exceptions are Germany and Austria. I repeat it again in order to avoid any kind of clarity. And simple Greek cross used in Europe and India. So the symbols most commonly which is associated with pharmacy are the mortar and pestle. Basically, the mortar and pestle are the symbols which are used in the field of pharmacy, especially in the North America, and the RX is the medical prescription character, which is often written as the RX in typetext. The Green Cross in France, Argentina, United Kingdom, Belgium, Ireland, Italy, Spain, and India. The bowl of Hyagia only, often used in the Netherlands, but may be used in combination with other symbols elsewhere. Other common symbols include conical measures and in the US in their logos. A red stylized letter A is used in Germany, Austria, from apotheke, the German word for pharmacy, from the same Greek root as the English word apothecary. The show globe was used in the US till the early 20th century, where the Netherlands, the gapper in the Netherlands are increasingly rare. So with this, we have discussed upon different the science, the society, culture, future of pharmacy, symbols used in pharmacy, and the journals that we have used in pharmacy. So with this, we are going to end today's session, and hope if you have any questions or queries, you can just reach out to me on my email ID, that is pharmacy knowledge series at the rate gmail.com. I'm happy to answer any of the questions you have. But please don't forget, meanwhile, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment so that you keep on receiving this kind of knowledge series videos on pharmacy profession. I'll make sure that I give my best in upbringing the knowledge in the fields of pharmacy in different domains, in different sectors that is currently available in the globe. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.